anybody had told me that Chidera would do this to me, even in my dream, I would never believe it. I love her with all my heart. And she made me believe she felt the same way for me. What a fool I was to have believed her.
Onyeka, you are not a fool. There is no shame in what happened. Rather, she would be the one that will live with it for the rest of her life. Forget about what happened and move on.
You don't get it. It's not as easy as you think. I can't forget Chidera. How can I forget her when everything around me reminds me of her? I think about her every minute of the day. I sleep and wake up thinking about her. I can't live without her.
You have to try as much as possible and move on. Because she has moved on. She left with Sophia to the city this morning. Probably she'll be leaving the country soon to be with her new husband. She has moved on. Why can't you do the same? Try. Odera lost something in you. It's quite unfortunate she does not realize that. But you should be proud of this. Yes.
Onyi.
Is that you?
Ugonnaya. Onyeka.
Is that you?
It's me. This is me.
When did you come back from Obodo Ibo? America, right?
Bro, you are very right. So right, eh? See, I came in 2 days ago. I was discussing about you with my mom this morning. She told me it's been long you last visited your own mother's people. It's not fair now, my brother. That is not fair. What have we done to you? See, let me tell you something. My mama is very angry with you. So angry with you. Or is it because your mama died? You lost your mom?
It's not like that. I visit, honestly. It's your mother who is not always at home anyway. Was she at home when I visited 3 months ago?
What? Oh, 3 months ago was the last time you visited your own mother's people. Come on, brother. This is not fair. Now, this is not fair. This is not
what we'll discuss here on the road. People will now start staring at us. I'm so excited seeing you. I didn't even know you were back in town. You know what? I will come to the house so that you'll give me my own American goodies. The vendors also here.
You don't need to worry about that. You know what? I am rather coming to see you. In fact, I am coming this evening to see you.
Are you serious?
I said I am coming this evening to see you.
I am waiting for
my
you.
My own brother. No. Hold on. I'm coming to the house.
Die! Oh, Papa man.
Only.
Lay!
I'll see you.
Die!
Oh, well.
Sir, please take it easy. It's very, very painful.
I know. Just calm down, eh?
Oh, yeah. Jesus.
It's a minor sprain. Yeah.
Oh. Please take it easy. Please. Hey, Jesus.
Easy.
God.
It has entered. It's a minor dislocation.
Okay.
Ugonna one name is here. Please.
Uncle, please take it easy.
Do not run with this leg.
Onyi.
Just trot. Ugonna one name.
Don't tell me you are still doing this.
Doing what? You mean bone setting?
Yes.
Of course now. Koko hapu problem. What again is home.
Oh yeah, God. You know, sister, it will amaze me.
Stretching it.
I'll be waiting for you. I want us to talk.
Okay, fine. Just give me a while. I'll be done.
It's okay.
All right.
Oh yeah, God. You know, sister, amaze me. All right, I'm waiting.
All right. So what are you saying, Gunna?
Yes. Onyi, see, what I'm saying here is, you need to harness this skill of yours. Brother, come on. You don't know what you have. You don't know what you have. You are just wasting in this village. Listen, you see what you're doing here? This is what the whites cannot do over there without the help of machines. Bro, if you just step into school and study a course on this, money is calling you. Money is knocking on your door. Trust me, you're going to come out as one of the best surgical doctors ever. By the way, where did you stop in school?
One name. I finished at SS3. Although I came tops in all science subjects, but that was a long time ago.
Onyi, the point here is not how long or how short the time is. The point here is, are you ready to refresh your brains and take some exams? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, but I don't have money for that.
Onyi, I feel moved to help you harness your amazing skills. Yes. You know what? You'll follow me back to the States, enroll into a school and study a course related to this. You're wasting in this village.
Couldn't I be serious, because
of course I am serious. I'm not kidding here, man. I am not kidding. I want to help you. You're my brother, all right? See, you're living with me back to the States. We'll spend some time in Abuja. Get your papers ready. Off you go, brother.
Good night, you want to take me to America with you?
Come on, brother, come on. Your mother is my father's elder sister, all right? What are friends for? Let me tell you something. I've gone to the States and I've made money. Cool cash. By the grace of God, I am what I am today. See my car. You don't want to ride a car? What are brothers for? I will help you.
You want to put me back in school?
Ugonna, you're going there to study a course on this and you're making a lot of money.
I don't know what to say, Ugonna.
Come on, brother.
Thank you.
Come on.
God bless you. God bless you.
It's okay. It's okay.
God bless you. Honestly, I didn't expect this.
You see this kind of car? You own it one day. Relax. Oh, shut up, man. What's all this? Man? Shut up. Come on.
God bless you.
You know what? I think we need to go somewhere and freshen up. What do you think?
Fine.
Oh, you my man.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. All these things you're doing here, the state is waiting for you.
Won't it be enough for you?
I think it's more for the three of us.
Yeah, it's not.
That look one.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. May I sit?
Which seat? There's no seat for you.
Thank you.
Should I get you some food?
Yeah, which food? The one I cooked. There's no food.
Will you shut up? Enough!
I have come to apologize to you all. I don't know what devil is getting into this family. I know you are very angry with me and I deserve it. Whatever anger you vent on me, I deserve. Because I didn't do what I should do. I'm part of the cause and I believe Uncle died because of me.
Of course, he died because of you.
Emeka.
And you know.
Keep quiet.
Emeka, Amaka, Adanne, please, forgive me. You all should not be in doubt how much I loved Uncle. I didn't know his sickness got worse. I didn't even know he was going to die in that manner. It breaks my heart every day knowing he died because I didn't do what I should have done. I've not been able to live with that. It torments me. That's why I'm asking you all to forgive me in any way, please.
It's been months now since Papa died. Why did you wait until now to do this?
Because I didn't know how to come. I didn't have the courage to stand before you and apologize. I didn't even know what to say. You all are the only family I have. But now, I've realized that I must reconcile with you before I travel abroad.
Eh? You're traveling out of the country?
Yes. I'm going to America to study orthopedic medicine. All thanks to my cousin Ugonna. But my mind won't be at rest until I have mended walls with you. That's why I'm asking you to forgive me in any way, please. Find it in your heart. I'll be going to Abuja tomorrow with him to get all the necessary things we need for the travel. Then from there we'll take off and fly abroad.
Hey! Namo, this is good news. Honestly, I'm so happy for you. I'm really happy for you. I know you are a good man. I know you have a good heart. I was only angry with you for not coming to Papa's aid when we needed you most. Still, I believe Papa wouldn't have died if it's not God's wish.
Indeed. Thank you very much.
Well, Uncle Onyeka, we have heard what you said. And like Adanna rightly said, our father wouldn't have died if it wasn't God's wish. We are initially angry with you because you couldn't provide the money needed for his treatment. But let's just forget about the past and focus on the future. It's okay.
Thank you, Emeka. Thank you, Adam. Amaka, thank you. Obelenwany.
What? You want to hear me say I'm forgiving you too?
Yes, now.
Me, I won't to unless you promise to take me to America someday.
Okay, I promise you I will take you to America someday.
Wow, thank you. That's my uncle.
You're welcome.
And I'm sorry for all the bad letters I used.
What? You are traveling to America?
Yes, my dear, that's why I sent for you.
Just like that?
Look, Onye, I just want to thank you for everything you have done for me, for being a good friend. I just want to thank you for the support, for standing by me all through my emotional struggle. It's not easy, and I do not take it for granted. That is why I have called you to say I appreciate so much.
So what do you have for me in appreciation to all that?
Well, I don't have anything at the moment, but I promise you I'll get you something, many things good when I'm coming back. All I ask for you at this time is to please remember me in your prayers every day.
You don't have to worry. I'll be praying for you. You will go in peace and you will come back in peace.
Amen.
Just don't forget to buy things for me when coming back.
I definitely will not forget that.
Onyeka, Onyobodo Ibo. I'm happy for you. Okay, just take care.
I will.
Bye-bye. Okay. See you soon.
Yay! I brought this drink specifically for you. I want us to drink, merry, gist, and talk about school. So tell me, give me gist. What's up with school? How was school?
School is just there. It's okay.
Oh, come on. There must be something in school you guys gist about. Give me the gist. You know I like gist.
There's nothing really interesting about school.
Yeah. You don't look okay. What's up? What's going on?
No, I'm not. It's about my husband. I've not set my eyes on him since we got married. And the last time we talked on phone, he's not even making any plans to visit anytime soon. Neither is he making any arrangements for me to come over there.
Oh, come on. I thought the arrangement was for you to finish school first, then you come over there.
No. That was not the earlier arrangement. That was not the earlier arrangement before I accepted to marry him. That only changed after I got married to him. And you're very well aware of that.
I guess it's because he's busy over there. I thought he explained these things to you.
Yes, he did. And he also told me that he'll be coming to the country in 6 months. And do you know when he said that? 3 years ago. It's been over 3 years. I don't know what, I'm just tired. This is no longer funny now.
See, please, just calm down, okay? Nothing is going wrong here. Just focus on school. Get the best of grade and come out. And I'm sure once you're out of school, you go over there to meet him.
Oh, sis, you don't understand, See, if anyone had told me that at this time I'll still be in this country, I wouldn't have believed it, I'm not even ashamed to show my face in the village. Because each time people see me, they start to bombard me with lots of questions. And I'm just so tired of answering their questions.
Leave those people in the village, they will always talk. They're always talking. Just leave them, pay a deaf ear to them. Naija, don't worry. No, when I'll call him and I'll explain these things to him and I know he will change.
I don't know if he will answer you. The last time we spoke was 3 months ago. Till now, nothing.
I guess he's busy. And he will call you.
Oh, how can he be so busy that he cannot even remember to call the person he claims to love? Oh God, I don't know. Sophia, I don't know how to say anymore.
It's okay. Your husband will come back.
I don't want to drink. I'm not in a good mood. Just take it easy.
Hey, brother! Yay! You're welcome. Oh, you know, how's your trip? Hey, Casey. This one you didn't tell us you're coming.
Our wife?
Oh, yes.
Oh my God.
Big dear, you remember my cousin Kenichi, right?
Kenny, you're welcome. How must I remember him?
Wow, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You don't look like a student at all.
Thank you. You came to see us.
Oh yes. I came to spend a couple of days with my big sis. I didn't know you were here. I hope you don't mind I too.
Come on, this is your house. You're welcome here any day or any time.
So says the queen. Thanks a lot, Your Majesty.
Naughty boy.
Guess you already know the house, so make yourself comfortable.
Let me just freshen up.
Okay.
I'll come join you guys.
Nice one. I love this your bag when you give it to me.
You want to talk to you? What?
My cousin is such a clown.
Hi there. Be careful.
Thank you.
You look so beautiful today.
Thank you.
Hi guys. What's up?
Sis.
Kenichiko, there's something you must do. There's a portrait of my brother in my room. He actually sent some pictures via email to my email, and I selected these two very cute pictures. So please go to my room and get it.
Are you serious?
ASAP as soon as possible.
Oh.
Let me have some of your juice. Babe, what's up? You good? You're looking all beautiful. Thank you. don't see someone is in love already.
Let me please you.
Sure. No, please me. I want you to face the wife, you know. Keep looking at her, smiling.
This is wonderful.
Awesome, yeah? Good stuff.
So, big sis, what are you off to?
Oh, yes, I have an emergency business trip in Abuja. And I have to go meet the client today. I'm filming today.
And how long are you gone for?
Say 3 days. 3 whole days.
And you're leaving me alone in this big building.
How do you mean? Kenya is here. Oh, Kenya, you'll be here till I come back, right?
Of course, I'm here.
He's gonna take care of everything here. Okay? You know what? Okay, I'm so sorry. I didn't plan to leave, but I just have to do it. Business. Please, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Do have a safe trip.
I sure will. And you, Kenny, please. I don't want to hear any complaint that you made her angry.
Big sis, you have to trust me on that.
I trust you, my brother. So you're gonna have to take this to the car for me.
I'll miss you.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm gonna miss you, darling. Just keep being beautiful, okay? And keep looking at your hubby.
How shall you come back in the family?
Okay, darling. Okay.
You know what I'm doing to you right now?
Who's there?
Hey.
Kenny, what are you doing here?
Am I intruding? Actually, I checked on you at the sitting room. You weren't there.
Why?
Just want to have a chat with you. I felt bored in your bedroom. I needed your company.
I was actually feeling very sleepy.
Oh, I see. You have a nice room. What's this?
Lip gloss.
Very close. Nice. So, the dress is good on you. I mean, sexy.
Thanks, Kenny, but I don't think you should.
Is this how you spend the night all alone in this room all these years?
Why do you ask?
What do you mean when I'm asking? You're supposed to be married. I mean, which man in his right senses will leave a very beautiful and sexy girl like you alone for years? I won't blame you if you break your marriage vow due to loneliness.
Can I stop it? Please, don't say such abominable things in my room.
What do you mean abominable? Look, so many women out there, they do it. Even those that their husbands warm their beds on daily basis, let alone someone like you.
Enough of this, Kenny. Please, I don't think it's proper for you to discuss such matters in my room, please.
Oh, come on, Chidera, what's wrong with that? We are 2 grown adults. We shouldn't be ashamed to discuss matters that affect our feelings and personal urge.
Kenny, I beg you in God's name, stop it. Leave my room, I'll see you in the morning. I need to sleep. Can you please leave?
Okay. Alright. Beautiful girls, they don't shout.
Just get out!
I'll be in my room. Wow. Good morning, Your Majesty. You look so beautiful this morning.
Thank you.
I wanted to talk to you about something. I don't like what you did last night.
What's that again?
I don't like the way you barged into my room to discuss about my sex life.
Oh, come on. Snap out of that, babe. I did that because you need it. You need to talk it over. It's not good to die in silence.
And when have I ever complained to you?
That is because you lack the courage to do that. I can understand perfectly the shame of discussing such a thing with someone else. But I'm not just anyone else. I am a guy that cares. A guy that cares so much about you. I feel for you, and you know it.
Enough. Shut your mouth.
No, we're not done. You raised it up. And I mean it when I said I won't blame you if you go out when you try to get sexual satisfaction out there, elsewhere. Because my cousin isn't getting it right.
Kenneth, I will not have this conversation with you, okay?
Listen, you started it all. Let's trash it out once and for all. Okay?
This is the last time you ever raise such topic, okay? I don't want to have this discussion with you anymore.
It's better you come, let's finish it now. Once and for all. You want to play games with me?
Kenneth, food is ready. Come to the table. What do you mean you're not hungry? You've not had anything since morning. Kenny, why are you like this? It's been 2 days now and you've refused to talk to me. And now you don't even want to eat the food I prepared for you.
Now you care.
What do you mean, now I care? I've always cared about you.
No, you have always seen me as a nuisance. And now you are interfering into my personal life and I don't like it. Whether I eat or not is none of your business. Just like I shouldn't interfere into your private life.
Oh, so it's all about that.
It has always been about that. You hate to talk matters that affects us.
Us?
Yes. Look, I care about you so much. I can't hide my feelings anymore. I love you.
What in God's name are you talking about? I am a married woman. Married.
And where is your husband? Yes. You and I know that you need a man more than every other thing now. And I'm here for you. Just get...
What are you doing? Stay away from me.
You don't have to resist me now. Okay?
I can't believe that you're trying to force yourself on me. See, I'm going to the police station. I'm going to report you.
Wait there.
Then what you do? What is going on here? What is going on here? Thank God you are back. Can you believe Kene tried to force himself on me? What? Is that true?
That's her voice, I guess.
Liar! You can't believe that Kene has been trying to seduce me ever since you left this house. And now Kene just tried to force himself on me. See, I don't know why we're talking about this. Please, let's just go to the police station. Come
I am not letting you do that. There's no police that can come into this house. No.
What are you talking about? Like, are you trying to support what he just did?
Okay, let me just break this down, okay? I guess he did that because he feels for you. The distance my brother has created is not okay with me, alright? And trust me, I wouldn't blame you if you seek sexual satisfaction elsewhere, especially with Kene. My cousin is more like a brother.
I can't believe you're saying what you just said.
I just did. And you can take my word for it. Look, Kene is a handsome young man. And I'm very sure he can satisfy you very well. So, you know what? Okay, you know what? I promise you, none of this word is going to reach home. Trust me on that.
You guys are unbelievable.
Please take me back upstairs. The distance my brother has created is not okay with me, alright? And trust me, I wouldn't blame you if you seek sexual satisfaction elsewhere, especially with Kene. My cousin is more like a brother.
Dikeh, my dear wife. It will not be wise for us to start making a mountain out of a molehill. It is not right for somebody to start running when nothing is actually pursuing the person. As far as I'm concerned, this issue is so minor that both of you would have resolved. Like I was saying, this issue is so minor that both of you would have resolved without attracting our attention. And I am saying that you, Kenneth, and you, both of you, should go and resolve this amicably. you go and practically settle the matter. But I must warn, let no ear hear about it. Do you understand me?
Uncle, thank you very much. Thank you.
Uncle.
Huh?
You don't get it, do you?
I
said Kenechukwu tried to force himself on me.
We heard you loud and clear. And that is what we've just resolved here now. What else do you want us to do?
Mother. Resolved what? This is a very serious issue. I don't understand why you people are taking it so lightly.
So we should kill him, right? I will say...
Can he try to rape me? Oh, please! Please! Enough! Uncle and mother have explained this thing. They have made their points. What is there to understand?
Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. If you do not understand, I will make you understand. Let's just go upstairs and have a woman-to-woman talk. Then I'll explain more. Very simple.
I know you will understand me. Try and understand now. When she explains to you.
Let's go upstairs, let me explain it to you.
Uncle, Kenny tried to rape me.
Are you deaf? I said let us go upstairs so that I can explain things to you. Why are you disturbing my uncle and mother? Why? Why are you stressing them?
Wait, I'm coming. You said Kenneth tried to rape you. Tried to. It is not a difficult thing to handle. Listen to me. Both of you should go and settle it practically. So you will be satisfied, he will be. Then that is the settlement. So what if did you have fun there? You used to like on
Yes.
Oh?
Hey!
I just want to give God all the glory and thanks for everything. I'm overwhelmed. Honestly, I thank Him for making my life turn around this good. You know, as soon as I stepped into America, everything I touched almost turned to gold. I become a favored child. Honestly, in 4 months I had a job. A very lucrative job. I earned well. I was doing well. I had already enrolled in school. I was going to school as well as working. Just 3 months ago, I decided to try out my hands in some business a friend introduced me to. Luckily for me, it boomed. And I made huge money in dollars. I couldn't understand all this. So I said to myself, during the school holidays, I was going to come back and see all my people.
Yes, sir.
So last week, we went on vacation. I decided to take a trip down to Nigeria and see all of you and see home and know how you're faring.
That's very nice.
That's very nice. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Uncle.
You know, as God has blessed this family, His light has come. I want you to identify what you have interest in, whatever business you want to do. Just tell me.
Uncle.
I will finance it.
Uncle.
Yes.
Jesus. Uncle, thank you very much.
You're welcome. This family has to be uplifted. And what's your friend's name? The one that plays football?
Udoka.
Udoka.
Yes.
Yes. I talked to a friend of mine who is a football manager and a scout as well. He has secured him an academy and a club in Europe.
Hey!
Udoka, no problem. Jesus Christ. Uncle, hey. Udoka will be very happy.
Of course, he will be very happy. I know he will.
See Udoka.
Amaka nwa. Obele wine. Jara. Mezi. Akwa nweji paka. The baby of the house. Okay, you tell me. Do you want to continue schooling here in Nigeria or over there in America?
It's here in Nigeria.
No, it's not here in Nigeria. I went to school in America. You know, ever since you left, I've been the only one praying for your success in this house.
I know you have always prayed for my success. And I remember I made you a promise under this tree years ago before I traveled that I was going to take you to America.
Yes, brother.
I will make do my promise. Get ready, in 3 weeks we are going abroad.
What is happening here? And why is everyone happy?
Oh my God. I'm so sorry about that. I didn't mean to. Whoa! Good to see you.
I'm just excited to see you too. Don't worry. I promise I'm not going to sue you for the case.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God.
How have you been?
I'm fine.
Look at you. It's been ages.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It is you?
Yes. That's him.
Sit down first. Sit down first. Let me tell you. He has secured a football team in England.
If you're gonna,
I'm telling you, you're going to England. Go and greet him. Sit down. I know you'll be very happy, don't worry.
It feels so good to see you all hale and hearty after all these years.
Yes, uncle.
You might hear me? Imalo the most happening joint in a village. I get a dance with this. But you know what I
get. Wait, I'll stay in the front.
Remove this chair. Yeah.
I really can't believe you got all this for me.
I just got you this to show you appreciation for everything you have done for me. You don't know what you mean to me. You don't know what you have done in my life. If not for you, I wonder if I could have survived the heartache and emotional trauma I went through. Thank you.
I don't think I actually did anything to merit all this from you.
What you did is actually unquantifiable. I can't explain it, but I just want to say thank you. Okay?
You're welcome.
So how have you been?
I'm just here.
So, you actually invited me here to witness this wonderful moment. Why don't you go ahead, as it is in the movies, kiss her, and probably put a ring on her finger? I don't care. I have moved on. Or is it because you just came back from overseas? Don't forget, my husband also lives there.
Odera, what are you talking about?
Shut your mouth. I wasn't talking to you. Don't try to pretend you don't know what is going on here. He probably invited me here to watch him, probably to kiss you and engage you. But I don't care, like I said. I've moved on.
On the contrary, Chidera, I didn't come here for that. You know me too well. I am too big for such childish pranks. I wouldn't engage in such triviality. I invited you here to say thank you and appreciate you for making me who I am today. If not for you, I probably wouldn't have achieved my dream in life. If you hadn't rejected and abandoned me and broken my heart, I wouldn't be where I am today. And for that, I'm really grateful. Some other thing I am here for is to tell you the truth about your husband.
What truth are we talking about?
You see, 3 months ago, a friend of mine introduced me to a business in America. a business I invested in, I made huge money. While I was seeking out other channels for investment, I made a trip to Indonesia where I met a lot of boys from this part. And the information they gave me shocked me to my bones. Your husband, Kenneth, had been in jail for 4 years. He was arrested with some kilos of cocaine and incarcerated. As a matter of fact, he was executed about 6 weeks ago. As we speak now, I'm sorry, your husband is dead.
That's nonsense. I talk with my husband every day. We talk on the phone.
I'm sorry, the person you've been speaking with is an arranged voice.
Onyeka, what are you talking about? She has been married for almost 4 years now.
And in those 4 years, has she ever seen him?
So?
So, you have never met him. Let me tell you the truth. I wouldn't lie to you. Kenneth is dead. And that is the truth. You can make inquiries. Ask Ata Onyeka. He's from this village. Ask Mora Okoye from your mother's village. I'll give you the numbers if you want, so you can call them and confirm. My dear, you have been scammed.
Onyeka, if this is a joke, it's not funny. Do you know the gravity of what you're saying?
Okay, Nakali, don't be silly. I am too old to joke with an issue as sensitive as this. You can ask your friend Sophia, the one who's been tossing you around. Or better still, go to his parents and confront them. They will tell you the truth. Even Kenechukwu, the arrangee, wanted to sleep with you forcefully. Am I lying? Chidera, all that glitters isn't gold. Honey, get into the car, let me
What do you know
drop
about that?
If you get money, money's not everything. If you get money, money's not everything. Money's not everything. Don't marry because of money.
So they want to turn my daughter to Ama Good Evening in disguise. Size on your bara, Mrs. Onya won't pay. Poison is poison. Even if it is presented in a gold plate. Hey, get ready. We go and see them now.
Okay, Papa. Okay.
Let me. In the mass. Hey, Aboma, you deceived my daughter into marrying Onye. Hey.
My late brother made a lot of money. His wealth belongs to you and the children that you give us.
Yes.
Right?
Want to refund the money we paid, but we are not ready to accept it back. It's as simple as that. Now, listen. I keep telling you, we have bought your daughter completely. Traditionally, we bought her. We own her. She is ours. And the law has it that everything concerning her, her children, whatever, belong to Kenneth. I have not finished. Let me finish with him. Now, yes, because like I told you, we bought your daughter, we bought her. She is our property. Even if she marries to any place, anywhere, anytime, anyhow, and bears child or children, they all belong to us.
try me. Because I will use every means to get you down. Don't try me. Don't dare.
Sophia. In fact, Papa, I don't want anything to do with this family anymore. That is your car key. As soon as I get home, I will pack the rest of my belongings and bring it to you. Anything your brother or your family has ever gotten for me. Make a list so I won't make a mistake. Papa, I don't want to be in this house any longer. Let's go.
Let's go. This is a wicked family.
You are wicked.
You people have missed heaven. You will never miss hell.
Uncle, you are wicked.
This is a wicked family. Let's go. You will not I will not This is a wicked family. We are not. You will go to hell before us. We have not missed heaven.
Uncle, don't stress yourself.
What can you imagine?
I will handle it. Sit down. I will handle it. Mama, why are you
This family can be ungrateful.
Why are you crying?
What do we do?
What do we do? What do we do? It's okay.
What do we do? It's okay. Oh, please come back. Oh.
Every blocked ears must surely end up in the hole, because you will be told not to follow this path, and you won't listen. Look at your life. I told you that you called me old woman. You called me old school. Your father called me analog woman. Oh, now talking. Now you're going out talking. Onyeka gave out of his little Ini. He bought you from. He paid your school fees. Great! And you to shock you finally. Onyeka proposed to Onyinye. Now she will be completing her nursing school in America. Obodo. Something you left and it slipped from your hand. Chidera, look at your life. Look at what you've done to yourself because of greed. You're here crying. I will not do that. Very soon. Very soon you'll be shedding tears. You'll be shedding blood. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Oh God, what have I done to myself? I want to wake up.
Good morning. Morning, madam. This one you came here this morning. I hope all is well.
Adane, all is not well. I have made a very grievous mistake in my life. And I came to ask Onyeka to please forgive me.
There's nothing I will not see in this world. So you have the guts to walk into this compound to look for my uncle Onyeka. Eh? Anyway, I see you haven't heard. For your information, Onyeka, Onyinye, Chiamaka and Udoka have all gone to America. See, looking for Onyeka here has no meaning. It makes no difference at all. Because as we speak right now, Onyeka has proposed to Onyinye and they are getting married soon in America. Mistake maker. Sorry, oh. Sorry, Nne.
Oh God.
I should have known. I should have known that the one you have is worth more than 1 million. What have I done to myself?
Mistake me. Sorry, Anya. Sorry. Are you crying? Please, I don't want you to stay here and cry. As you can see, I'm going out. If you want to cry, go to your father's house. Or you go to Sophia's house and cry. Not here. Now you know. The one you have is better than the one you don't have. Now you know. I hope you will learn from your mistakes.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You are our wife, and you are supposed to be in your husband's house.
Says who? Says who? Eh? I don't understand. No. Papa, is anybody standing here? See, I am not married to you or anyone else. What is it? You should leave me alone. I have returned everything you people have given to me. What do you want again now? Please, you people can now leave. Are you asking us to leave? Did I put water in my mouth to say it?
She is no more interested. I will pay you back your money to the last farthing.
Ngwana uncle, let us leave.
Let's go.
Go.
They can just come here and come and shout, then I'll be shivering.
I have made a grievous mistake. The whole community is talking about me. They are all calling me names. Everyone now knows me as the girl that married a ghost husband.
My daughter, you don't need to bother. It's a matter of months now. Everything I'll go for a gaga.
Stop it, Papa.
caused all these problems for me. You're a very wicked father. You pushed me into this because of your greed. I knew you hated me, but I never thought that it was this much, Papa. Why?
When you tell the ear and it doesn't hear, when you cut off the head, it goes with it. Wow. You want to reach husband? Then, you go. See what you've done to yourself.
Search everywhere and bring her out! Bring her out! Search where? What rubbish? What is it?
Oh, Jezebel! So you brought in the police to arrest my innocent daughter, isn't it? Eh?
Are you still standing there? I said go inside and search everywhere. Papa, you won't stop them, eh?
It's alright.
You won't stop them.
Don't worry, we shall see the winner. We shall see the winner. Because I don't have knowledge. Oh, it's alright. We shall see.
Oh, you don't know me.
We shall see. I don't have money.
Okay.
We shall see the winner by how much. Jezebel. It's alright.
Did you find her? Where is she?
Did not see anybody. Did you check everywhere?
I check everywhere.
Ha! Okay, let's wait for the other one. Did you see her?
I have searched everywhere. I can't find anything.
I said you should look for every nook and cranny of this house. I don't want to go into that house. Bring her out.
There's a dead body at the backyard.
Dead what?
Could she be the one you're looking for?
Oh yeah, come on. Hey! Where is she? Where is she?
Come listen, I saw you.
Hey!
Follow me this way.
Hey! Oh, don't sit down! Hey!
It's a poisonous substance.
Huh?
I'm sorry. She is dead.
When you call your finger that feed you, why will you say your love because of money? get money, money's not everything. If you get money, money's not everything.
Money's not everything. Yeah.
Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money. Some people say money answers all things.
Money can destroy you, can destroy your marriage. Don't marry because of money. Yeah. Don't marry because of material things.
Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money.
Don't forget the person that is there for you when you are in difficulties. Remember the one that loved you when you had nobody by your side. Don't allow money to take away your happiness. Don't allow money to betray the one that loves you. Remember, he sacrificed for you everything he had.
Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money.